ang first three animal signs po na magiging maganda po ang kanilang alignment with the energies, number one po is the ox. Because they have so many helpful people and noble people. Pangalawa po sa buenas po is the rabbit because they are very lovable and they will be spiritually open po. They will be having a lot of spiritual awakening. And number three, Sir Jovi, kayo po, rooster.
Thank you.
Sir Jovi, it's all about branding, visibility, rejuvenation, lahat po yan. And then, all things in the past will be reckoned with, will be solved po this 2026.
Ay,
Ay,
ang
wow,
gusto ko.
ganda-ganda.
Oo,
Yes.
kasi parang walang bitin-bitin, di ba? Parang kailangan marasolba, mga dapat marasolba.
Tama naman yan. So,
Apo.
ano,
And Sir Jovi, opo, sa lahat po ng animal sign, kayo po yung recommended na magsuot po ng color red.
Ay,
Ay!
nako. Akin na yan.
palit tayo, palit
Palit
tayo.
kami.
Doon ka makapagpalit. Talaga pinagpalit. Kayo magpalit.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir Norman, how about
Bigla
yung
naging
mga
red.
hindi masyadong bebuenasin?
Oo,
Opo,
na kailangan
Sir Gerard,
mag-ingat.
Signs.
Ang mga kulelat po is the year, yung horse po. The year itself po, yung horse. Ang horse po will be irritative po and they have a buried memory na kailangan i-address po nila this 2026 or else hindi ko sila maka-move on and this will be a year of hesitation, try and try, hindi po dapat. Ang horse po kailangan should be the leader this year and also should be decisive. And he and she can only do that pag in-address niya po yung kanyang mga nakatagong emosyon.
So hindi sila masyadong lucky this year. Pero meron naman siguro mga pwedeng gawin sila para maging sila. At least hindi hindi sobrang malas naman.
Opo, I would recommend po yung po sa horse, sa tiger naman po, ang horse po pang 10 sa kulelat, followed by number 11 po yung pong tiger. Ang tiger naman po, iwas naman po sa man-made calamities, yan po mga rally, ang uprising, kudeta,
Baha.
baka po is part naman po sa natural disaster.
Oo,
po.
correct.
Baha, of course, baha.
Yes.
And natural disasters po, mga eruptions, yan po. So, ingat po ang tiger dyan. And of course po, ang pinakakulelat po is the rat. So, Sir Jovi, nabanggit nyo, anong gagawin? Umiwas tayo sa south area,
Okay.
umiwas tayo sa northwest area, umiwas tayo sa west area, at umiwas tayo sa southwest area. Why? Ang south area po is the most challenging sector kasi po meron tong 5 evils or 5 yellow. Betrayal, misfortune, tragedy, illness, accident. So para po siyang sa Wi-Fi, parang dead spot po siya. Ang northwest naman po is all about worry and sickness. Kung panagdudoon ka, starting February 4, the likelihood of you getting sick and overthinking and getting worried, mas mataas po yung probability. Pag nasa west ka naman po or you're facing west, the probability of getting into arguments, away, litigation, and lawsuit, very, it possible. At sa southwest naman po, nandoon po yung backstabbing and betrayal star
Ay,
sa southwest
may
area.
ganon.
Yung mga sinasabi ng mga Southwest kayo na saka yung mga yung mga lugar-lugar ni Norman, naku, isa puso niyo po. Walang mawawala parang
Yes,
okay naman talaga
yes.
na anuhin natin to, maging gabay. Okay. Norman, saka namin mahanap.
Sir Jovi, Sir Gerard, you can look for me po sa Wow Feng Shui po sa
Yes.
FB page ko po. Gabi-gabi po, araw-araw, nag-share po tayo ng backing. It's all about pray, wish, manifest po. Pagising ng umaga, bago hawakan ng cellphone, kailangan lahat po tayo i-increase ang ating spirituality. I know meron tayong onset of high-tech, everything is high-tech, pero kailangan po, back to basics po, magdasal po tayo ulit, pray, wish, manifest.